tell you something. Today, we're going to learn its language.
So, you see a crack like this in a wall. What's your first thought? Is it a minor flaw or a $50,000 mistake just waiting to happen? The difference is knowing what to look for, and we're going to show you exactly that.
Okay, first things first. Not all cracks are created equal. Let's break down the two main types. You'll see these hairline cracks a lot as a new house settles. They're usually no big deal.
But structural cracks? These are a sign of a much deeper problem with the foundation.
Now, this is where it gets interesting. Look at the visual clues here. It's all in the details.
So here's the key takeaway. If you see horizontal cracks, that's a major red flag.
But you know what? The warning signs can show up way before the cracks do. It starts with the materials. Want to test your bricks? Here's a super simple field test. No special gear needed.
All right, let's talk about the big one, concrete, the literal foundation of your home.
A super common mistake is adding way too much water. It makes it easier to pour, but it's a huge problem.
And you can literally see the difference. Good concrete holds its shape. Bad concrete just puddles.
The cake analogy is perfect here. You can't just add extra water and hope for the best.
But even the best mix isn't enough. There's a hidden component that's absolutely crucial.
It's called concrete cover. It's basically a shield for the steel reinforcement inside.
Think of it like this. The steel is the skeleton, and the cover is the skin protecting it. And if that skin is too thin, moisture gets in, the skeleton rusts, and it all fails from within.
And here's one last myth to bust. Concrete doesn't just dry, it actually cures.
It's a chemical reaction called hydration, and it needs water to get strong. Wild, right? Okay, so what does all of this actually mean for you?
It means this knowledge turns you from just an owner into a guardian of your biggest investment.
You can spot the red flags early and make sure your home is built on a truly solid foundation.
Your home is telling a story. The question is, are you ready to read it?
If you're ready to level up, like and share this video.